Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to connect your Marshall Emberton speaker to your computer. But first, don't forget to press the button subscribe to see more helpful content. So first of all, we need to turn on the power on this speaker. To do this, we need to press this gold button and hold it till we hear the voice signal and we see these indicators light up red. So now we need to connect it to our computer. First of all, we need to press this button and wait till the red indicator starts blinking. Now we go to the settings on our computer and find the Bluetooth. We need to turn it on. And in the list of the available devices, we need to find this Emberton second. Tap on it and wait it to be connected. So great, now our speaker is connected to our computer. That's all, thank you for watching this video.